Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be organizing my gel polishes on my new shelves that I just installed on my wall. And if you didn't see that video, I'll have it linked in the description box below. But here are my gel polishes. I currently have them in this drawer and they're all piled on top of each other. As you can see, some of them have even spilled and it is just a hot mess. So I'm really excited that I'll finally be able to organize them on the shelves today. So I only have a few bottles of Nail Addict, D&D, and Model 1 gel polishes. So I decided I would store all of those on the same shelf. So that's what I decided to go ahead and start with, since, like I said, I only have a few bottles. It didn't really take me too long to figure out where I wanted them to go and how I wanted them to be organized. So on the top two shelves, I'm going to store my Caramia gel polish collection. And I do have a lot more of the Caramia because this is the brand that I started out with when I first started doing nails. I'm also able to buy them locally at my nail supplier. And on top of that, because I am licensed, I'm able to get them at a discounted rate as well. So here I have 100% acetone and a paper towel. So throughout this video, you will see me wiping down some of my gel polish bottles as needed, because like I showed you guys earlier, all of my gel polishes were just stored in a drawer. They were all piled on top of each other. It was a hot mess, and some of them did end up spilling, so it got a little messy, and I just want the bottles to be nice and clean, especially since I'm now able to store them on a shelf. So on a lot of these, I do have two bottles of the same color. And so before I throw away my pretty much empty bottle, I do like to take it and turn it over on top of a full bottle, because believe it or not, there is still gel left over in there. So whatever gel is left over in that pretty much empty bottle, it's gonna spill into your new bottle, and that way you're saving a lot of product. So right here, I'm just adding my Model 1s to the bottom shelf. And since the bottles are smaller, they were able to all fit, which is nice. But I still wish that I was able to get these in a bigger size. So this is how everything turned out, you guys, and I'm so happy with it. Obviously, I am going to have to add more shelves because one, my gel polish collection is definitely going to continue to grow, but also I wasn't able to fit everything on the shelves. But honestly, a lot of these colors are already on the shelf. It's just that I have extras. So usually, like I said earlier, if I have a color that I use more frequently, I tend to run out of it quicker. So whenever I go shopping, I like to get 2 or 3 bottles of that same color. So these are just my extras. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.